Hi there. I received an email from a student of mine. She was asking help with content writing for a website. So this site wanted her to start filling up all these pages, but she quite did not know where to start from. So my advice to her was to start from About Us page. As you know, almost every website on the web, on the internet, has a About Us page. And if you don't know what to do, where to begin from, I highly recommend you try your hand at About Us page, because it's a relatively simple screen to write. And to help you along in this project, here are my suggestions to you about what to write. You can start writing about the short history of the company, where the company was formed, when it was formed, maybe a little funny story or two if it's appropriate for the website, for the company, and who are its principals, maybe board of directors, important personality with their pictures, if again appropriate, any testimonials, quotations from the founders. The mission statement of the company goes very well in a About Us page. What is this company trying to do? What is its outlook, mission and vision in forming this company? And most importantly, what does it do? Products, services, what does it offer? What is the company's unique selling proposition? How is it different from all the other corporations or organizations in that niche, in that field? Perhaps who are its customers? Like if a big Fortune 100 company is a customer, it would help to mention that fact. And any future events, projects coming up. And lastly, how to contact would be very nice to have in an About Us page. This is a relatively, so to speak, low-hanging fruit that any content writer can tackle easily and quickly, and thus provide a bridge across to this wonderful writing niche that we call content writing or web writing. I wish you good luck, and if you have any questions, let me know. Please add it into the comments. See you soon.